GoHighLevel just launched a brand new AI feature called Super Agents, and this is the closest thing I've seen to hiring a real AI employee inside your agency. I gave it one prompt and it built me an agent that researched trending content for a med spa, designed 70 branded carousel slides, and scheduled 2 full months of posts to the calendar. Then I built a second agent that generates unlimited carousels for any business automatically the moment someone fills out a form. This could be huge. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 12 months, we've generated over $5 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $5 million in the last 12 months, roughly 350 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. Now, this feature is still in beta, and I'll be honest with you about what it can't do yet. But by the end, you'll see why I think this changes the game for anyone selling AI services. So in this video, I'm going to break down what super agents actually are, show you the wildest things I got them to do, and then talk about the business opportunity this creates. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, what super agents actually are. If you open up HighLevel and go to AI agents, then Agent Studio, you'll see a brand new tab called Super Agents. It's sitting right next to Flow Agents and it's marked beta. And here's how HighLevel describes them. Super agents are prompt-based agents. You give them a prompt, knowledge, web search, and integrations, and they run in chat or on triggers. And if you don't see super agents in your account yet, it just needs to be turned on. Go to settings, then labs, search for super, and flip on Agent Studio Super Agent. That's it. Now let me translate that for you. A regular Flow agent follows a script that you build step by step. A super agent is different. You describe the employee you want in plain English, and it figures out the steps on its own. It can search the web, generate images, read your knowledge base, and actually take actions inside your CRM. Things like creating contacts, booking appointments, and scheduling social media posts. When you create one, you can start from templates like a knowledge base assistant, a community moderator, an email campaign agent, or a social media posting agent. But the crazy part is you can just describe your own from scratch. So that's what I did. I typed this prompt. Help me create an agent for a premium med spa that answers calls and books appointments. This agent can also act as a social media manager, create graphics for Instagram and Facebook, and schedule them. Her name will be Ava. And by the way, every prompt in this video is inside my free prompt library. More on that in a minute. And it built the entire agent right in front of me. It named her Ava Med Spa Concierge. It turned on web search and image generation, and it wrote a full set of instructions. How to greet guests, how to qualify them, a complete booking conversation flow, social media content rules, and even med spa safety rules like never giving medical advice and escalating urgent questions to a human. Then I connected the med spa's knowledge base, hit publish, and Ava was live. One prompt. That would have taken me hours to set up manually. Chapter 2, the first test, Carousels on demand. So I opened up the test chat and typed, create a 7-slide Instagram carousel that talks about the myths of skincare. And you can watch it think. It planned all 7 slides first. A cover, then myths like, you don't need sunscreen on cloudy days and oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Then it generated every slide with a premium med spa look, soft neutrals, clean typography, the whole luxury feel. But here's the part that blew me away. I typed, review the graphics and check for typos and inconsistencies and enhance the designs. And the agent caught its own mistakes. It noticed the cover said 7 skincare myths, but it only delivered 6. It noticed one slide was overcrowded and the color palette wasn't consistent across the slides. So it corrected the cover, gave the CTA its own clean closing slide, and regenerated the entire carousel with one unified brand look. It reviewed its own work like a real designer would. Then I typed, pick the best time and schedule these posts into the calendar for the first week of July. And this is where you see the difference between this and a normal chatbot. It started discovering tools on its own. It found the social planner, found the connected accounts, then asked me if I wanted to post to Facebook, Instagram, or both. It recommended the best posting time based on peak med spa engagement. It even figured out that an Instagram carousel is one post with all the slides, not 7 separate posts. And it scheduled everything. When I opened the social planner, the post was sitting right there. All the slides, a full caption, and the hashtags scheduled and ready to go. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all my clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library with every prompt from this video, and other bonuses completely free. All right, let's keep going. Chapter 3, 70 slides and a 2-month content calendar. Now, I wanted to see how far I could push this. So I started a new chat and typed, research trending med spa posts on Instagram and help me generate 7 topics for creating carousel posts. It searched the web, pulled what's working for med spas right now, and came back with 7 carousel topics, each with the content type and why it works. Things like myth versus fact carousels and treatment walkthroughs, client story carousels, and self-qualifying checklists. Then I gave it the big one. Generate 5 slide graphics for each carousel and pick the best time and schedule them throughout the month of August. Skip Sundays. Now, real quick, I have to be honest with you. The first time I tried a bulk generation like this, it crashed about 2 minutes in and threw an error right on the screen. It's beta, and you're going to feel that sometimes. But on the second run, it delivered. Before doing anything, it stopped and asked me 2 smart questions: which accounts to post to and whether the recommended posting times worked for me. Then it mapped out the posting dates, skipped every Sunday like I asked, and started generating all 35 slides. And then I typed one word: continue. And it planned September 2. By the time it was done, I had 70 branded carousel slides across 14 posts, covering 2 full months of content. And when I opened up the social planner, the entire calendar was filled out. Every post scheduled at peak times with captions and hashtags done. That's 2 months of premium content for a client from 3 prompts. Chapter 4, everything else I tested and what it can't do yet. Carousels are just one use case, so let me run through the other things I tested. First, appointment booking. I messaged Ava like a customer, asked about the price of an express facial, and asked to book an appointment. She pulled real pricing from the knowledge base, including the membership offer. Then she created me as a contact, checked the calendar, confirmed my details, and booked it. And when I opened the calendar, the appointment was actually sitting there, confirmed with my name, phone, and email attached. But here's the honest part. When I asked her to reschedule it to July 5th, she told me it was done and showed me a confirmation. But when I checked the calendar, it never moved. And when I called it out, she doubled down and told me to hard refresh my browser. So no, it's not perfect yet. This is exactly what beta feels like. Then I tested email campaigns. I typed, generate an email campaign for a fall promo, and it wrote a full 3-part sequence: an announcement email, an education plus urgency email, and a last call email, each with subject line options and preview text. And I respected this part. When I told it to approve and schedule everything, it refused to guess. It asked me for the real promo details first: the offer, the dates, the audience. That's exactly what you want from something touching a real client's email list. And last, workflows. I asked it to create a workflow that requests a review after every appointment. It went looking for the right tools, and then it told me the truth. It can't build workflows yet, but instead of just failing, it handed me a complete step-by-step blueprint: the trigger, the wait steps, the SMS and email templates, the if-else logic, so I could build it myself in a few minutes. So today, it's an incredible content and conversation employee, and the deeper automation stuff is clearly coming. Chapter 5, the unlimited carousel generator and the business opportunity. All right, now let me show you the build that ties this whole video together. I wanted a super agent that could generate premium carousels for any business, not just one med spa. So I created a new agent and typed this prompt: build an agent who can generate premium and high quality carousel images for social media. The agent should be able to research what designs are getting the most reach and engagement, and then recreate similar designs for a business website given to them using that business information and branding, while still creating compelling and engaging educational carousel content in a perfect square size. And it built my carousel design studio. It wrote an entire creative system into the instructions: how to extract brand colors from a website, how to research trending carousel formats, premium design rules like 1 focal headline per slide, and a quality control checklist it runs before finalizing anything. So I tested it. Make 3 carousel posts for this business, and I pasted the med spa's website. It read the site, pulled the black and gold branding, and generated 24 slides across 3 complete carousels with caption options and pro posting tips for each one. These look like they came from a $2,000 a month design agency. But here's where it turns into a machine. Super agents can run on triggers, not just chat. So I added a form submitted trigger and built a quick client questionnaire form: just name, email, and website. Then I updated the agent with one more prompt: When the form is submitted, generate a carousel post from the website in the form and send an email to the email provided in the form. And then embed the images inside of the email that you send. Then I submitted the form with my own website. And a few minutes later, this email showed up in my inbox. Your carousel is ready, Sean. Inside was a full 8-slide carousel built from my website. It pulled my exact brand colors, matched my style, and embedded every slide right in the email, and along with trend notes, caption options, and step-by-step publishing instructions. Nobody touched anything. A form got filled out and a finished carousel showed up in an inbox. Now think about what this means for an agency. You could put that form on your website and every new lead gets a free custom carousel for their business in minutes as a lead magnet. You could onboard a client with a questionnaire and have their first month of content drafted before your kickoff call. And you could sell social media content at $500 a month, where a super agent does the research, the design, and the scheduling, and you just review the work. That's the model I've been showing you all year, and this just made the delivery even more hands-off. And here's my prediction. Right now, super agents are in beta. They can be a little slow, the images sometimes need a revision pass, and some skills aren't exposed yet, but you can see exactly where this is going. More triggers, more integrations, more APIs, agents that build workflows themselves, and memory, which is literally sitting in the interface right now, marked coming soon. The people who learned Ask AI early are the ones winning with it today. Super agents are that same moment all over again. Learn it now while it's early, and you'll have a massive head start when it fully matures. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.